All right, boys, we are out here doing a little goose hunting. I know it's a little different, and we've been slacking, so to speak, on the videos recently, but got me, Matt, Talon, and Grady out here. I got about 10 dozen big L's. No, I'm kidding, they're dive bombs. And yeah, here's what we're looking like. They just plowed and seeded this field, and so it's a little hard to work with when it comes to blinding, but we found this patch of dead grass or whatever the hell it's called, but yeah, hopefully get on some birds. Yeah,
let's get it.
Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do tonight. I don't know. Hopefully have some luck.
There's about how many geese you think we're in here this morning?
Oh, probably like, I don't even know, 200.
About 200 geese this morning coming off the pond over there. So hopefully they come here tonight to feed, and hopefully we can get some.
Shoot him. Three. Oh yeah, I see. Nice.
Matt, do you want me to call?
No.
Are they cupped?
Yeah, they're cupped. They're cupped.
Fuck yeah! Stay down.
Guys are coming back.
Can I be like hi?
This
Hey,
one,
lemon in the back,
dude.
lemon in the back.
Check lemon in the back.
Look at this one.
Holy fuck, look at this.
Look at this. Look at the head, dude.
And the feet.
Oh,
What, dude? Big. What is that?
look at this thing.
Dude.
Oh.
What kind of bird is
Mom, bad shape. Holy fuck, man.
Alright guys, little update. We just got 6 birds. We got a dope bird. It's like a speck goose mix. It's got orange feet, orange beak. We'll show you guys in a little bit. But it's prime time right now. Birds just started flying. Got birds down. We got half our limit. Hopefully we can get it. Let's go. He's gonna come in front. Not yet. Shoot him. Well, boys, this is what we're ending with tonight. 7 geese. Got this nice guy. What do you guys think? Spec hybrid with a goose or a farm goose? Because we're thinking spec hybrid, but we don't really know. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I don't know.
We only had 2 groups. Yeah, we only had 2 groups do it nice tonight. I mean, there were a lot of birds in here this morning, but I don't know. Birds are flying now, but it was a good hunt. Thanks for watching today, and catch you on the next one.